How do I make my pictures smaller to send in an email on iPhone? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can make your pictures smaller to send on the email app on iPhone. So stick with me till the end. The issue here is quite simple. You're using the default Apple Mail application, right? So when you open Apple Mail and then you're trying to compose an email and then you want to add a picture to this. So to add a picture, what you normally do is you just long press on the body. When you long press on the body, you'll find this paste and other options here, but you need to tap this little arrow button here, and when you basically tap on the little arrow button there, it will give you other options as well until you see insert photo or video. When you tapped on it, now if you select a certain picture here and then you selected, let's say, another picture also, the picture is so huge that it gets embedded into the body. So if you have any sort of text over here, it is going to distract it. And how do you make this smaller? Well, first of all, you can't make this smaller if you are using the default iPhone's mailing application here. However, the story is different if you use the Gmail app. So you can actually open the Gmail app, log into that same Apple ID which you use on the Apple Mail app because Gmail supports it. Then go to compose. Now on the compose email tab, you can tap on this little option here and then you can select that picture. But again, the same old story, right? It's big. But on Gmail app, what you can do is you can actually tap on it once, then just tap on this little arrow button again and send as attachment, which will actually make it smaller, so it will not appear big and distract you in the body. Now other way that you can actually do this is if you tap on this little option and then you select multiple pictures over here. While selecting multiple pictures and then you tap on insert, it will automatically be sent as an attachment in a small format. So you don't have to tap on it and select manually, only if you selected a single picture. But again, as I said, this cannot be achieved through the default Apple Mail app, which iPhone gives you or your Apple gives you. It has to be achieved through the Gmail app, which Google gives you. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.